4 decades, life seemed cleanly divided into simple prokaryotes and complex eukaryotes. That picture began to crack in 2015, when scientists analyzing DNA from deep-sea sediments near the Lokiarchaeota hydrothermal vent discovered an unknown group of Archaea. They named it Lokiarchaeota, after the trickster god Loki, because these microbes disrupted our understanding of how complex life evolved. Lokiarchaeota were reconstructed from environmental DNA collected more than 1,700 meters below the ocean surface, in dark, oxygen-free, sulfur-rich sediments. They were never grown in the lab, but their genomes suggest slow-living Archaea adapted to extreme, energy-limited conditions. What made them remarkable was not their habitat, but their molecular toolkit. Their genomes contain genes once thought to exist only in eukaryotes, including actin-related proteins and components similar to the ESCRT membrane remodeling system. These are not decorative extras, they are core systems used by modern eukaryotic cells to shape their internal structure. This indicates that the foundations of cellular complexity began forming inside Archaea, before true eukaryotes appeared. Lokiarchaeota belong to the Ascard superphylum, now considered the closest known relatives of eukaryotes. This fits a growing evolutionary model in which an Ascard-like archaean partnered with an alpha proteobacterium, eventually giving rise to mitochondria. In this view, eukaryotic cells were not built from scratch, but assembled on an archaeal framework that already had the tools for organization. Their genomes also show a complete system for using the rare amino acid selenocysteine, with RNA structures that resemble but are distinct from those found in eukaryotes. These features reflect evolutionary experimentation at the boundary between simple and complex life. Early doubts about their position in the tree of life have weakened as related Ascard Archaea were later studied. Together, they reveal a quiet truth: complex life did not appear suddenly. It grew out of archaeal cells like Lokiarchaeota, long before animals, plants, or humans existed.